guys, Mr. Detective here, and beside me we have the Mavic Mini with us. So we're gonna review the Mavic Mini here. We're gonna learn how to fly one, and we're gonna take some cool shots with it. On the box, it says some specs that we can read off right now. It says that it has a 2.7K camera. It has a 30-minute max time flight. And it weighs 249 grams, so you don't have to register to fly it. Behind me I have a big backyard here, and with our drone we can record some nice shots, and through the camera of the drone we can see how clarity it takes the 2.7K video of. I'm also recording this video with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So you can also see how you record with the GoPro Hero 8 Black if you want to check that out. So to have your first flight with your Mavic Mini, first you have to install the Mavic Mini app on any phone. Then you connect the drone to the phone via Bluetooth, and once you set that up, you can click Connect Aircraft and have your first flight. Once you're ready to fly, you can see all the stuff your drone camera sees on your phone, and right above that is all the controls you need to steer your drone. Then, right above all your joysticks, you have a record button and a photo button. And behind that, there's also a scroll wheel, and if you interact with it, it can move the drone's camera up or down. And once you get a hang of that, you can take amazing shots like this with your Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini is a nice drone for people who like to record drone shots as a hobby or casually for small stuff. But if you really want to go pro with your drone shots and you want a really quality image, you would probably want to go for the Mavic Air. So after flying with a Mavic Mini, here's just a quick overview of what I felt with filming with a Mavic Mini. It's a $399 drone which films at 2.7K, and it's decent but not 4K. And if you get too far, the range isn't that good. It might get laggy sometimes if you go a little far. And if you go too high, it might blow away because it's not that heavy, but then you don't have to register for it, so that's a plus. But overall, it's a good drone. Mavic Mini is a lightweight portable drone that is mid-range and records at 2.7K. And if you like this video, give it a like, and if you want to see other tech reviews, I've done a review on the GoPro Hero 8 and Segway's newest scooter. If you want to check that out, go subscribe to my channel, Mr. Tech Dude, and thank you. Bye.